Welcome to our channel. Today we how to increase your network with Zoom, detailed guide step by step clearly. Start by identifying your goals for networking on Zoom. Determine the type of connections you want to make, such as industry professionals or potential clients. Next, create a comprehensive profile on Zoom. Use a professional profile picture and an informative bio to enhance your online presence. Join relevant groups or communities on platforms that utilize Zoom. Look for organizations or networks that align with your interests and goals. Attend virtual events and webinars that are industry-specific. Interact actively during these events by asking questions and joining discussions. Once the event concludes, follow up with presenters and participants through direct messages. Send personalized connection requests to those you met. Utilize Zoom's features effectively during meetings. Share your screen when necessary to demonstrate projects or ideas. Engage with attendees using the chat function to build rapport. After meetings, send a recap email to highlight key points and express appreciation for their time. Maintain consistent communication by scheduling regular check-ins with your new contacts. Consider co-hosting a Zoom event to showcase your expertise and attract like-minded professionals. Follow industry influencers on social media and engage with their Zoom sessions. Leverage LinkedIn to connect with your Zoom contacts for professional networking. Use Zoom's breakout rooms during larger meetings for more intimate discussions. Remain open to collaborating on projects with your network. Regularly evaluate and adjust your networking strategies based on your experiences. Engaging authentically will foster deeper connections over time. Remain patient, as building a strong network takes time and effort. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.